Here's some transformative ideas trivia. Subscribe. What economic theory advocates for government spending to stimulate demand? Is it A, supply-side economics, B, classical economics, C, Keynesian economics, or D, monetarism? The correct answer is C, Keynesian economics. Which project sought to create a universal language? Is it A, Latin, B, Klingon, C, Esperanto, or D, Babel? The correct answer is C, Esperanto. What movement aims to end the oppression of women? Is it A, masculinity, B, feminism, C, gender roles, or D, patriarchy? The correct answer is B, feminism. What document outlined the principles of democracy in the U.S.? Is it A, Declaration of Independence, B, Bill of Rights, C, U.S. Constitution, or D, Magna Carta? The correct answer is C, U.S. Constitution. What technique for teaching emphasizes hands-on learning? Is it A, standardized testing, B, traditional lecture, C, online courses, or D, Montessori method? The correct answer is D, Montessori method. Which philosophy argues that knowledge comes from sensory experience? Is it A, empiricism, B, rationalism, C, idealism, or D, pragmatism? The correct answer is A, empiricism. What educational reform aimed at inclusive education for all? Is it A, segregated classrooms, B, specialized tutoring, C, universal education, or D, vocational training? The correct answer is C, universal education. What grassroots movement fought for civil rights in the U.S.? Is it A, women's suffrage, B, Black Power movement, C, New Deal, or D, civil rights movement? The correct answer is D, civil rights movement. Which legal framework prohibits discrimination based on disability? Is it A, Title IX, B, ADA, C, FMLA, or D, CRA? The correct answer is B, ADA. What theory suggests that natural selection drives evolution? Is it A, Darwinism, B, punctuated equilibrium, C, Lamarckism, or D, creationism? The correct answer is A, Darwinism. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.